Hi friends, welcome back to 10-second riddles. In this video I am going to teach you about plant reproduction. All living things reproduce. And do you know what is the meaning of reproduction? The process through which living things produce more of their own kind is called as reproduction. And do you also know that reproduction is very helpful since it helps in the continuation of life on earth. Now let's see about reproduction in plants. Most plants make new plants or reproduce from their seeds. And do you also know that some plants can also reproduce through their other parts like from the leaves, stem or roots of the parent plant? Now let's see about growing plants from seeds. Plants produce many seeds, but not all seeds grow into new plants. Seeds need favorable conditions to grow into new plants. These right conditions are air, warmth and moisture. Now let's talk about germination. Germination is the process of a seed turning into seedling. And if you don't know about seedling, don't worry, I will explain it to you. A baby plant that emerges out of a seed is called as seedling. And also water is really important for germination since it makes the seed to swell, leading to the bursting of seed coat and helping the baby root to easily come out. And now let's see some examples of growing plants from stem, root and leaves. A potato sprouting from an ant. This is an example of a stem. Carrot tops planted in the soil. This is an example of a root. Leaf of a bryophyllum with buds in the margin. And now let's talk about seed dispersal. The process by which seeds are carried to the new places away from the parent plant is known as seed dispersal. And now let's see more about seed dispersal. Fruits contain seeds and seeds give rise to new plants. If all the seeds fall just beneath it in the same place, they will not get enough nutrition, space and warmth to grow. Therefore, it is important that these seeds are distributed over a wide area. And so, there is a process called seed dispersal, which means scattering or distribution of seeds. And now let's see the different ways of seed dispersal. There are 4 types of seed dispersal. These are wind, animal, water and explosion. Some seeds are or have light in weight, winged seed and hairy growth which enable them to disperse through wind, example like a dandelion. Some seeds are or have fleshy and juicy and hook-like structure which enable them to disperse through animal, example like a common fruit like apple. Some seeds can float on water which enables them to disperse through water, and some seeds like coconut have fibrous outer covering which enables them to disperse through water. Some seeds have pods that burst open when ripe, like example pea, which enable them to disperse by explosion.